Now that we've had a look at the basics of the home screen, let's take a look at all the features and information open to you. In the last video, we talked about how the Vehicle Readiness section is just the first stop to diagnosing and repairing the vehicle. When you connect to the vehicle, the large icon in the Vehicle Readiness section will be one of three images. The first, the red stop sign, which signifies that there are active issues on the vehicle that need to be addressed immediately. If there is an issue that is associated with neither an active or inactive fault code, such as a low fluid level, the image will be a cautionary yellow triangle. If there are no active faults on the vehicle, there will be a green circle with a check mark in it. If you click on an active issue in the Vehicle Readiness section, JPRO will open the Data Monitor, which is also a button on the toolbar. Once open, a series of tabs related to the data coming from the vehicle will appear on your screen. When you click on the fault in the Vehicle Readiness section, JPRO will take you right to the information about this specific problem. We will talk more about the Data Monitor in a later chapter. Let's take a look at some common flags you might see during a connection. Let's say you connect and JPRO alerts you to low battery voltage. You can click on that active issue, and JPRO takes you into a section of Data Monitor called the Power Diagram. The Power Diagram tab displays a graphical representation of the reported voltages for various modules on the vehicle. This screen will help aid in diagnosing electrical problems. Clicking on the issue in the Vehicle Readiness or the Consumable Fluids icon will show you which fluid is low. We can see here that the fuel level is low. Notice the color of the fluid in the icon. Normally, the fluid is green, letting you know that fluid levels are fine. When the consumable fluid is at the add line, the icon will be yellow in the toolbar and in the Vehicle Readiness list. What if you see a flag that says No J1939 Data? Remember, 1939 is the backbone communication network for electronic components on heavy-duty vehicles. Even for older vehicles, both J1939 and J1587 could be present. If JPRO is not detecting J1939 on the vehicle, you can click on the issue, prompting a pop-up window of the Connector Info screen. Connector Info provides pinout information for various heavy and medium-duty connectors. The connector pinout image visually identifies pins on the connector. Blinking pins indicate active communication. Another issue that could cause some problems for you is if JPRO can't detect an ECU or system. In this case, JPRO cannot detect the vehicle's ABS system. This could indicate a wiring or fuse issue with the ECU itself. Clicking on this issue will prompt this pop-up with the message to check the fuses and wiring for the brake ECU. Within the list, you may see information regarding a regen. If the alert states a regen is needed, clicking the alert will open the After Treatment Diagnostic screen. From the After Treatment Diagnostic screen, you can view regen zone information, see all available bi-directional tests, or initiate a DPF regen. Regen inhibited is displayed when the regen needed issue is shown and the vehicle reports that parked regeneration is inhibited. Clicking this will also open the After Treatment Diagnostic screen. Remember, all this information is available in the JPRO User Guide. For more information or to purchase JPRO, please call our support team or visit us online.